Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to buy, sell, and swap crypto safely using the Ledger Live, all in one secure app. Let's get started. First, the step one you need to do is to get your Ledger wallet. First, buy a Ledger Nano X or S from the official Ledger website. This is your hardware wallet to share crypto safely offline. Then after that, download a Ledger Live app on any desktop or mobile, then connect your Ledger device and follow the setup to create the restore wallet. Then to buy a crypto, all you need to do is to open your Ledger Live, then go to buy tab. Choose your provider, pick a coin or complete the transaction. You can also transfer crypto from another exchange directly to your Ledger wallet. Then to swap or sell, to swap one crypto from another or to go to swap, all you need to do is to go to the swap tab and select the coins and confirm the exchange. To sell, go to the sell tab and choose the asset and provider, then follow those steps. Make sure your device is connected to authorize everything. And that's how you manage crypto safely with Ledger Live. Buy, sell, swap without leaving the app. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.